Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or better yet, your channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the location and firing order of the cylinders in a Hyundai Sonata from 2015 to 2017. Here we have an example of an engine from that vehicle. To figure out the location and firing order of the cylinders, the first thing we need to do is stand in front of the car. Once we're in front of the car, we look at the front of the engine. We would position the cylinders as follows. On the left side, you'll find cylinder number 1, and on the right side, you'll find cylinder number 4. Like I mentioned before, that's as long as you're standing in front of the vehicle. In the center would be cylinders number 2 and 3. The firing order would be as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires, which is on the left side, meaning on the passenger side. Next, cylinder number 3 fires. Then, cylinder number 4 fires, which is on the right side, on the driver's side, near the battery. And finally, cylinder number 2 would fire. Well, folks, I don't have anything else to say. See you in the next video tutorial. See you soon.